Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to install and configure the personal rate UPS shipping module in the admin area of your website. After completing the setup, your store will use personalized UPS rates and provide accurate shipping options for customers. Let's get started. Once the module is successfully installed, head over to your website's admin area. Go to Modules and select Shipping. Then open the Online tab. In the list of available shipping methods, locate United Parcel Service and click Edit to open the configuration page. Next, configure the restrictions. Here, the shipping method can be limited to specific customer groups, countries, or website pages, if required. Enable tracking to provide shipment visibility for your customers. Now let's configure the personal rate UPS settings. Go to the Settings section. Enable personal rate UPS shipping for your website. Enter your personal rate UPS access key, username, and password in the corresponding fields. Select the pickup method and packaging type from the available options. Next, enter your customer classification code. Then define the shipping origin details, including city, state, country, and zip code. Choose whether the module should operate in test or production mode. Select the preferred weight and length measurement system, either English or metric. Choose the quote type for residential or commercial delivery. Enter your UPS account number to access discounted rates. If negotiated rates should be entered manually, set the negotiated rates option to false. Next, configure handling fees. Select the handling type, either a flat fee or a percentage. Enter the handling fee and specify the currency code. Configure package insurance options if required. Select the appropriate shipping fee tax class from the drop-down list. Choose the shipping zones where this method should be available, such as All World, USA, or EU. Set the shipping priority by entering a value in the priority field. Lower values will display this shipping method higher during checkout. If needed, disable specific UPS services by selecting the services you do not want to offer. Enter a shipping delay value to adjust the estimated delivery date. Enable UPS error notifications by email if required. Select the preferred time in transit view type and decide whether to display the package weight and number of packages. Once all settings are configured, click Update to save your changes. That's it. The personal rate UPS shipping module is now fully configured and ready to calculate accurate UPS shipping rates for your store. Before going live, make sure to review all entered credentials and configuration values to ensure correct rate calculation and smooth UPS integration. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials.